Good morning students, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are fine. So today onwards we are going to start the chapter 11, measurement of weight or mass, and in this video we will do exercise 57 and 58 both from this chapter. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter. First let's begin with exercise 57, which is in page number 139. Okay, so in this exercise simple conversion of weight means mass are there. You have to convert kg to gram, gram to kg, etc. Okay, so these simple conversions are there only in this exercise. So first I am doing question number 1. Question number 1 is convert into kilogram. Gram given, so we have to convert it to kilogram. So the first one is question number 1's A, 593 gram. So how can we convert gram to kg? By dividing the number by 1000. You all know that gram divided by 1000 will be, or I am writing it as a fraction, will be kg. So 593 divided by 1000 is 0.593 kg. Okay. Next I am doing the last one, that is question number 1's G. Question number 1's G is 1 kg 793 gram. So what will we do? We will not convert this kg to anything because it's already in the unit kg. We will convert this 793 gram to kg. So that will be 793 divided by 1000 kg. That means 0.793 kg. Okay, so what will we write? 1 kg is for 1, this we will write 1, and for this 0.793 we will put here point, then 793 kg. I hope you understood. Just convert this gram to kg, it will be 793.793, and write here 1.793. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we will do question number 2, that is convert into gram. Here again kg is given, we have to convert it to gram. In the previous one we have converted gram to kg. So I am doing question number 2's B, 0.306 kg. Question number 2's B is 0.306 kg. So how can we convert kg to gram? By multiplying it by 1000. So 0.306 into 1000, it will be gram. So 0.306 into 1000 is 306 gram. Okay, because the point will move to the right 3 places, so it will be 306 gram. Okay, I hope this is clear. This process, all the sums are same. Next, question number 3 is convert into kilogram and gram. So in this process gram is given, we don't have to convert it to kg only, we will convert it to kg and gram both. So how can we do this type of sums? Question number 3's A I am doing, that is 70006 gram. Okay, so how can we convert it to kg and gram? We will divide it by 1000. Okay, so now 1000, 70s are 70,000. We can write it at once also. Okay, so 1000, 70s are 70,000 and 6 will be remainder. So now see, the quotient is 70, remainder is 6. That means this is kg and this is gram. So first you will divide the gram by 1000. The quotient will be kg and the remainder will be gram. Okay, so what is the answer here? 70 kg 6 gram. That is the required answer. Okay, I hope this is clear. So here in this exercise two word sums are there. So that is simple conversions only. That's why I am next going to question number 58, exercise 58. Okay, so in exercise 58 addition and subtractions are there of masses, mass or weights. So first I am doing question number 2, that is addition, which is already arranged in column. Okay, Exercise 58. So question number 2 is, it's kg 18.709, 32.895. Okay. Now see, kg, and the unit is given in kg, and these are the two masses. So here that means 18 kg 709 gram and 32 kg 895 gram. So we will simple add these numbers as the addition of decimals. So 9 plus 5 14, 4 here 1 in hand, 9 plus 1 10, 0 here 1 in hand, 7 plus 8 15 plus 1 16, 6 here 1 in hand, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 in hand, 1 here 1 in hand, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 51.604 kg. 51.604 kg is the answer. Simple addition. Now when the masses are not arranged in column, how will we add? Simple addition again. Question number 8 I am doing for this. So I am just arranging them in column. First you can write here kg gram, or you can simple write kg and you will write the numbers as point. Okay, so it's 42 kg and 829 grams. So we will write it as 42.829. Okay, 42 kg and 829 grams. So 829 means 3 digits are there, so divided by thousands will be 0.829. Okay. Next one is 75 kg 9 gram. So 75 kg, then we will put the point 9 gram. So it will be 009. If we convert 9 gram to kg, it will be 0.009. Means 3 digits will be there after the point, so 009. And next is 12 kg 80 gram. So 12.80 gram. That means what will be right? 080. Okay. 80 means 80, and first we will put a 0. You can also convert 80 gram to kg at rough, in a rough, like 80 divided by 1000, it will be 0.80. Sorry, 0.080. Okay, so here I have written 0.080 after 12. Okay, so this is 12 kg 80 gram. Now we will add these three masses. 9 plus 9 18, 8 here 1 in hand, 2 plus 8 10 plus 1 11, 1 here 1 in hand, 8 plus 1 9. Now 2 plus 5 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12. So that means what? 100. Okay, here I am writing only 129.918 kg. 129.918 kg. That is the answer. I hope you understood how to arrange them in column and add. Okay. Now next I am doing subtraction. Subtraction arranged in column are there, and without arranging in column are also there. So I am doing the subtractions which are not arranged in column. That is question number 14 I am doing first. Okay. So here 18 kg, we can write it as kg. 18 kg 608 grams. So we will write 18.608. 608 grams. 608 grams. Subtract it from the number from which we have to subtract is given 25 kg 324. 25 kg 324. So that means 25.324. And 18 kg 608. So 18.608. Now subtract. 14 minus 8. 6. 1 in hand. 0 plus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. 13 minus 6 7. 1 in hand. 8 plus 1 9. 15 minus 9 6. 1 in hand. 2 plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. So 6.716 kg. 6.716 0.716 kg is the required answer. Okay. Next I am doing question number 15. Question number 15 again, first we have to arrange them in column, then we will add. Sorry, not add, we will do subtraction. It's subtract 41 kg 826 gram from 50 kg. So kg. From 50 kg we have to subtract 41 kg 826 gram. So here no gram is given. That means what? 50 kg is given. That means 50.000 gram. Okay. No gram is given. Kg is given but no gram is there. So that means 50.0 or 50.000 gram. Now we have to subtract 41 kg 826 gram from this. 41 kg 826 gram. That means 41.826. Okay. We will now subtract. So 10 minus 6 4. 1 in hand. 2 plus 1 3. 10 minus 3 7. 1 in hand. 8 plus 1 9. 10 minus 9 1. Again 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 2. 10 minus 2 8. 1 in hand. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 5 0. So that means 8.174 kg is the required answer. 8.174 kg. Now next word sums are there. I am doing question number 18 first from the word sums. Question number 18 is, a woman reduced her weight by 10.806 kg. What was her original weight if now she weighs 50.970 kg? So her weight is 50.970 kg, but she has lost 10.806 kg. She has reduced this much weight, 10.806 kg. So what was her previous weight? Previous weight must be greater than her original, now her present weight. Okay, because she has reduced her weight, after that she has now 50.970 kg. So her previous weight will be her present weight. Her previous weight equals to her present weight plus the weight she has reduced. Okay. So her present weight is 50.970 kg and she has reduced 10.806 kg. So her previous weight was 10.806 plus 50.970 kg. Okay. So what statements we will write here? A woman reduced 10.806 kg. Now she weighs 50.970 kg. Therefore, her previous weight was 50.970 plus 806 kg. Okay, so now we will arrange them in column and add. So 50.970 and here 10.806. Now we will have to add. So 6, 7 plus 0 7, 9 plus 8 17, 7 here 1 in hand, 0 plus 1 1, 5 plus 1 6. So 61 kg 776 gram. That means 61.776 kg was her previous weight. Again I am repeating, 61 kg 776 gram was her previous weight. Okay. This is done. Now next I am doing the last question from this exercise, that is question number 20. Question number 20 is a vegetable seller bought 80 kg potatoes. He sold 62.895 kg during the day. So how much potatoes are left now? Very easy. He bought 80 kg and sold out 62.895 kg. So the amount of potato which is remaining or which is left is 80 minus 62.895. Very easy. So simple subtraction we need to do here. So what will be right? The vegetable seller bought 80 kg potatoes and sold 62.895 kg. Therefore, the remaining potatoes equals to 80 minus 62.895 kg. Okay, so now we will do subtraction here. I am arranging them in column. So 80 kg means 80.000 gram and 62.895 gram. Sorry, 62.895 kg. So now we will do the subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5, 1 in hand. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 10, 0. 1 in hand, 8 plus 1, 9, 10 minus 9, 1. Again 1 in hand, 2 plus 1, 3, 10 minus 3, 7. 1 in hand, 6 plus 1, 7, 8 minus 7, 1. So 17.105 kg potato is remaining with the vegetable seller, or 17 kg 105 gram potato is remaining with the vegetable seller. Okay, I hope this is clear. So that these two exercises are done, which are very easy. I hope you understood. So revise the sums again. If you find any confusion, you can call me. So till the next video, take care and bye.